ها؟
ايه
بديت؟
امم
Yo guys, what's up? So I just want to show the parts which we have for the Dodge still to restore it. We do have the clutch disc. This is the disc OEM. This is the pressure plate. What else we have? Wait. We do have the Innovate fuel pressure gauge for the fuel ratio. I don't want to open it. I'm just organizing the stuff. We are preparing the car to finish. Sorry for the mess. These are the high beam connecting rod and with Seco pistons. Just have a look quick. We're just waiting our balancing tool to come from US so we can rebuild the engine. Brand new. Okay. So hopefully everything will be as planned. Just turn it back. Okay. Battery regulating kit from front to rear. I got this off from 3SX Performance. We need more engine room. And of course, head gasket OEM.
شو composite؟
لا, it's Mitsubishi
Careful.
OEM. What do we have here? This is the middle part of the engine for the coolant where it's low from the water pump to the coolant housing. And water pump. Just some maintenance parts. I just want to show if you want. Timing belt, new one. We do have a lot of the things inside. I will show on the last. But wait, let us see what we have. PTE 550cc injectors. I don't recommend to buy these shit injectors. I don't think I'm gonna use it. Unfortunately, I bought my car without AC. The AC was deleted, so I had to buy the stock used parts in order to put the AC back. This is the tensioner for the AC bracket or whatever they call it. Yeah, some pulleys. This is the heat insulation. This was a wrong item which I ordered. This is for the soot engines, unfortunately. I tried to sell it over eBay. Nobody will buy it here. OEM spark plugs. If you guys want to know which one to use for OEM spec, this is the part number. Even these we cannot find locally, imagine. You have to order from US or German. Dicobel pulley and one of them for the AC, one of them for the alternator. This is OEM. This is Dico, not OEM. This is a good brand to choose. Fro, some turbo gaskets. Yeah. Let's keep it here. And yeah, this one is oh shit. It is an oil. It's a used one, oil cooler.
عاصي بيقطر.
I will not use the stock one, it's damaged, so I'll just use this one. I have it used from my previous car. Anyway, I'll just keep it here now. Ignition coil.
عارف's favorite part.
Yeah.
Favorite part. PTU.
No, it's there, don't worry.
Okay.
Some Chinese belts, I will not use them. I don't know why. Maybe around $7 both of them. I just want them to start the car. I will not use them. Don't worry. You should be proud. Made in China. You know this
Oh
very
my
well. You know
God.
these very well.
Royal Purple.
How many years I have them now? I did not use them. I will just use them to clean my engine. I will not even use them. خلاص. They should be expired also. This is... Where's the expiry date? No? I think one bottle is missing. I should have 4. Okay. So... I don't know if I will install this. I just bought it because I like it. Some old school Blitz
LED.
voice controller with the screen. Just see. This is very rare. I bought it used. Came with the whole harness. I have no idea how the fuck will I install this. Anyway, good to have something for backup.
يلا يلا انستول. لا يزك.
أيوة.
لا يزك. Obviously you don't know how to use it.
So yeah, what else we have? Abdullah's favorite things. VMC oil cap.
خرافي.
Racer stuff.
Ricer stuff. He said it. Ricer stuff.
Looks nice. Engine oil, factory fill. People will believe that it's an OEM part, and they don't know that it's Chinese. So, yeah, keep it here. What we have else? Another tensioner body. This is VMC also. It's made in Taiwan, not China. So it's
Slightly better.
yeah. Coolant cap. Let us show. Oh no, I don't want to lose it. There is a pin inside. Better to keep it. What else we have? This is very expensive. Oil pump, new oil pump.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, OEM of course. Think I will buy China only?
Aruf, you have to put all this back again.
Yeah, that's why I took them out, because I want to arrange everything. So, some engine mounts. This is the transmission mount. This is the also sub mount or whatever. This is from the yeah. So I think we have around 1, 2, 3, complete 4 set of mounts. Some KN spacers. Maybe I'll put my car later. Last, some gaskets, and for Abdullah, the best thing
Sure.
is advance
Oh
Divi
my god.
Chinese copy one. Oh, I found a sticker. See, a VMC sticker inside. How the fuck? I don't know. Anyway, I don't know why I bought this.
شو يسوي هذا دخيلك؟ Just
It
tell
will read the
what.
boost, temperature, oil pressure, all the stuff you need. And I'm just waiting to finish my car. I really wanted to see this on. I'll show. This is custom made. Oh. Read carefully. Read. Dodge Stealth RT. If you like it or not, I don't care because it's my car. Put it back. I don't want to damage it. Because this thing,
The most expensive.
the most expensive.
There you
I got it from UK. So, okay, we'll come back here. Come, let us show them the still and the other car. So this is the still, completely restored.
go.
We are trying to finish it, just some final touch. We have cleaned everything inside. We are putting some sound insulator. So it's a mess, but we'll finish soon. We just started the middle section, and we will do all the other stuff later on. So yeah. By the way, this is the 1996 banana wing. It's a fiberglass. It's not OEM, but it's good. This is the best part of the car. Venom front bumper with custom-made. I would call it Viper hood. I don't know. So still it does need some job. There is some mistakes in the hood. It does not fully close. So I will have to make a new one. It's sitting somewhere from here. Anyway, we just fixed it. But I think it looks nice. It does look nice, aggressive. Come.
I don't fit. وين اقول شو اقول بس I don't fit يعني. يا سلام.
Do I need to sign for something?
التايتل.
That's good.
ما بقول هسه.
This is the title. This is the of a car that coming from US. It's a GTO.
already arrived. Already came. Received.
Do I need to pay something?
لا it's already paid.
Okay.
I remember when I received my title I was very happy.
Thank you. Just have a look.
I'm على جيمس.
James Horner. Where's the title? Oh! This is the one. This is the one all over US. It came from US.
From wait.
From
New York State
Paul.
Department Motor Vehicles.
3000
Rocket-
GT. Jamaican blue.
Oh my god.
This is the most fastest SL. It's auto, all-wheel drive. I'm just kidding. It's just a front-wheel drive. خذ لفك تتكلم انت شوي بعد.
شو بتسوي؟
سيايير خليني اركبهم ده. So yeah, as I said, I'm restoring this car. I'm thinking to keep the wheels. I think they look nice.
Oh yeah.
Just take. This is the I don't know which brand. On the top, I have the OEM painted already. This is the OEM. This is the OEM. And this is just some dirt. I don't know if I need to install them or just keep these wheels. The aftermarket one. Yeah, don't mind the spacer. I'm just putting a spacer because it used to hit the
Caliper.
front caliper. Well, these parts go in here. Just put them here. Okay. So yes, that's all about the stick.
I can't fit. Not even.
We are rebuilding this GTO. Also this GTO. This one for sale. Looks nice. Anyway, later on we'll show the car. This is my love. which will never finish.
Soon.
Listen. OEM. Start bid $1,000. Come. My daily driver car. Auto SL. Kit shift installed by Goody, our aircraft engineer. Goody, our kit. So this is our super mechanic. The most what can I say? The most skilled Filipino in the UAE, the only Koya that working on GTOs. No others. Huh? So, what else we can? This one needs rebuilt. Come. Look at this. There is a hole. Shit.
شو سوى? What the hell did he do to blow this engine?
Long story. We will tell you everything later. Long story. What else? That's it. This is the garage. We are working on mostly Mitsubishis and some other cars just for service. So whoever wants to do something, just hit me on Facebook or YouTube, email, whatever.